You want to be a YouTuber. You've seen the success stories, the viral videos, and the influencers making a living from their channels. You dream of making money online. The idea of earning a passive income while doing something you love is incredibly appealing. But putting yourself out there is scary. The thought of being judged, criticized, or even just seen by thousands of strangers can be overwhelming. Guess what? You don't have to show your face. There's a growing trend that's changing the game for aspiring YouTubers. Faceless YouTube channels are exploding in popularity. These channels focus on content rather than personality, and they're gaining millions of views. People are making real money without ever stepping in front of a camera. From animation to commentary, the possibilities are endless. This is the future of content creation. With the right tools and strategies, you can build a successful channel without ever revealing your identity. Artificial intelligence is changing the game. AI tools can help you create content, edit videos, and even manage your channel. Now, anyone can create a successful YouTube channel without any prior experience. The barriers to entry are lower than ever before. It's easier than you think, and the best part? You can start today for free. All you need is a computer, an internet connection, and a bit of creativity. In this essay, I'm going to break down the exact steps you need to take. From choosing your niche to optimizing your videos for search, I've got you covered. We'll explore the tools, the strategies, and the mindset you need to crush it on YouTube. You'll learn how to create engaging content that keeps viewers coming back for more. Get ready to unlock the secrets to building a profitable, faceless YouTube channel. Your journey to YouTube success starts now. Let's be real, putting yourself out there can be intimidating. Faceless channels eliminate that fear. You can stay anonymous while building a personal brand. This is huge for introverts or anyone who values their privacy, but it's not just about anonymity. Faceless channels offer incredible flexibility. You're not limited by your appearance or location. This opens up endless possibilities for content creation. Think about it. You could be sharing travel tips from your couch, or teaching millions about history without ever leaving your home. The power is in your hands. The best part, you don't need expensive software or equipment. There are tons of free tools available to create high-quality content. Let's talk about some of the essentials. First up, you need a way to create your videos. Platforms like Canva offer free video editing software that's incredibly user-friendly. You can easily combine images, text, and music to create engaging visuals. Next, you'll need to find royalty-free music and sound effects. Websites like YouTube Audio Library and Free Music Archive offer a vast selection of tracks to enhance your videos. And don't forget about free stock footage websites like Pexels and Pixabay. Now let's talk about the magic of AI. It's truly transforming the way we create content. There are incredible AI tools that can help you generate video ideas, write scripts, and even create voiceovers. These tools are designed to make the content creation process smoother and more efficient. And the best part, many of them offer free plans to get you started. This means you can explore their features without any initial investment, making it accessible for everyone. Platforms like ChatGPT and Bard are revolutionizing content creation. They use advanced algorithms to understand your needs and deliver high-quality scripts in no time. You can simply provide them with a topic or keyword, and they'll do the rest. It's as easy as typing a few words and hitting enter, and they'll generate a complete script for your video. This can save you hours of brainstorming and writing. It's like having a personal scriptwriter at your fingertips. Imagine the possibilities when you can focus more on creativity and less on the technicalities. Once you have your script, you can use free text-to-speech software to create a voiceover. This is perfect for those who may not have the equipment or confidence to record their own voice. Platforms like Google Cloud, Text-to-Speech, and Natural Reader offer a variety of voices and accents to choose from. This allows you to customize the voiceover to match the tone and style of your content perfectly. With these tools, creating professional quality videos has never been easier. Whether you're a seasoned content creator or just starting out, AI tools can elevate your work to the next level. Section 5, Lights, Camera, AI Action, creating videos with AI. But wait, there's more. AI can also help you create the actual video content. Platforms like Pictory and InVideo allow you to transform your scripts into engaging videos using AI-powered editing tools. These tools can automatically add images, videos, and transitions to your video. making the editing process a breeze. You can even create animated explainer videos or whiteboard videos without any animation skills. The possibilities are endless. With AI by your side, you can create professional-looking videos without any prior experience. Section 6. From zero to hero, growing your Faceless channel. Now that you know how to create amazing content, it's time to get it in front of the right people. Growing a YouTube channel takes time and effort, but there are proven strategies that can accelerate your growth. First and foremost, consistency is key. Establish a regular upload schedule and stick to it. The more videos you publish, the more opportunities you have to attract viewers. Next, focus on creating high-quality content that provides value to your audience. Think about their needs and interests. What problems can you solve? What information can you share that they won't find anywhere else? Section 7. Monetizing your content and cashing in. Once you start gaining traction, it's time to monetize your channel. YouTube offers several monetization options, including ad revenue, channel memberships, and merchandise shelf. Ad revenue is the most common way to make money on YouTube. Once you reach 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours, you can apply for the YouTube Partner Program and start earning money from ads displayed on your videos. Channel memberships allow your most loyal fans to support your channel directly through monthly payments in exchange for exclusive perks, such as badges, emojis, and members-only content. Section 8. Staying ahead of the curve, tips for long-term success. The world of YouTube is constantly evolving, with new trends and technologies emerging almost every day. To stay ahead of the game, you need to adapt and innovate. This means being open to change and willing to experiment with new ideas. Here are a few tips to ensure your long-term success. 1. Embrace new technologies. AI is your friend. It can help you automate repetitive tasks, allowing you to focus more on creativity. Stay updated on the latest AI tools and trends to streamline your workflow and enhance your content. Regularly watch tutorials and read articles to keep your knowledge fresh. 2. Engage with your audience. Building a loyal community is crucial for long-term success. Respond to comments, ask for feedback, and create a sense of community around your channel. This interaction not only boosts your engagement, but also helps you understand what your audience wants. 3. Collaborate with other creators. Working with others can bring fresh perspectives and new ideas to your content. Cross-promote your channel and reach new audiences through collaborations. This can significantly expand your reach and introduce your content to viewers who might not have found you otherwise. Remember, success on YouTube is a marathon, not a sprint. It requires patience, dedication, and a lot of hard work. Stay consistent, stay creative, and never stop learning. Continuously educate yourself and refine your skills to keep your content fresh and engaging. Section 9. Conclusion. Your journey to YouTube domination starts now. Congratulations, you're now equipped with the knowledge and tools to create a successful, faceless YouTube channel. The possibilities are limitless. You can share your passions, connect with people around the world, and build a profitable online business. Don't let fear or self-doubt hold you back. Take action today. Start creating, start sharing, and watch your channel grow. The world is waiting to hear your voice, even if it's through an AI-generated one. Go out there and crush it.